So hey everyone, my name is Krish. I am a software engineer at Webnish and I work for a client named Orbit. So I recently got hired like 3 months ago and I became a Kubecon yesterday. So it was quite a great journey. So I graduated in 2021, and in 2021 when I graduated from college, I had no idea about like the tech landscape as a whole and didn't know anything, didn't have any skills, didn't have any job. So I started learning about things. I learned about things, started exploring for 1 year and decided that the cloud and DevOps and like the whole cloud native ecosystem is where my interest lies on. So started going through YouTube channels, like documentations and stuff. I saw videos related to Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, and saw like KodeKloud promotion there. So KodeKloud was having a free week, and so I thought I should try it and try KodeKloud. KodeKloud has short form videos like 5 to 10 minutes, and after that they have labs, hands-on labs. That is the best like feature of KodeKloud, is that they have really good hands-on labs that force you to practice, and whatever you learn you are able to recall it way better. So that is my favorite feature of KodeKloud. Like after 7 days, I decided that I should give myself a birthday gift, and I went for KodeKloud for the 1 year plan. So got it for around 5,000 rupees, and it was worth it. It was really worth it. Studied a lot of things like Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform Associate certification, AWS Cloud Practitioner like certification, and after that learned about Kubernetes basics. After that, I got into a job, but that wasn't like a technical job. So I was on a bench for like few months. So I decided that like I shouldn't waste my time, I should keep upskilling. I was using KodeKloud for like 5 to 6 hours a day at that time. So that's how I learned. During that time that I was in my job, non-technical job, I was studying, and I decided to go for CKA. So it took me about 1.5 months to clear CKA, and CKA courses really helped me a lot. And the amount of labs really helped to like drill that concept into my head. And after that, I attempted the ultimate mock series test for CKA. That was really good. I wish that kind of exam is available for CKS also. Right now they have CKS challenges. Hopefully that feature will be out soon. Yeah, so that's how I did my CKA, and I attended KCD Mumbai. So in that conference, my certification and of basic knowledge of things, I was able to understand what people were saying. So like I didn't feel like everything was going through my head. Some topics, yeah, sure, but like it really felt good that I'm finally able to understand things. Like before that it was a pair, but now it really felt good, and I was really hooked to KodeKloud. There are plenty of courses for KodeKloud. For example, my company requires me to learn Azure because I'm handling their Azure and AKS services. So I will be studying for Azure certifications there. And the playgrounds are also there, so if I need to experiment on anything, I can use the playground. That is a really good feature. Also, I'm looking forward to using the KodeKloud AI. That is a feature I'm really excited about. Other than that, like as you saw, like CNCF is also announcing like Golden Kubecon program. So for that, you need to clear all the other certifications that are in the cloud native landscape. So I think KodeKloud has made courses for many of them. So if not, please make them. Yeah, because I want to be the first Golden Kubecon from India.